Hey YouTube, it's Matt. I'm a full-time wannabe. Basically, I want to be a full-time RVer, and this is my story, going from sticks and bricks to full-time RVing. Today I'm going to talk about my water system. Pretty simple. It's just going to be a 5-minute video, if that. This is an ingenious system, and man, I thought I was a genius. I'm just like, I didn't want all the weight of holding tanks and a gray water tank and having to find dump stations and all that kind of stuff. You know, I kind of want to be self-contained, but not self-contained. I know that doesn't make any sense. My problem with the camper that I built, it's a 6x12 single axle, so my weight was priority. You know, I had to keep the weight down. And them holding tanks, you know, if you're talking 30, 40 gallons, 2 tanks, that is a lot of weight. And my battery system back there, because I'm running 8 batteries for almost 1,000 amp hours, man, that's a ton of weight already, right off the rip. So everything else in this camper, I had to do it really lightweight. So, and this is ingenious. You know, I'm just like, man, I thought I invented, you know, the cure for cancer, and I came up with this water system to find out that it's actually pretty common. But, so I'm not a genius. Or, you know, I think I'm a genius because I thought I came up with it. Although, all I had to do is get on YouTube and I could have found 5 million videos on this same water system. So, my whole water system, I don't think cost me $200. No, it didn't even cost me that. Maybe $150, you know, give or take. $150 to $200. And that even included the bar stake. So let's go check this out. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I got a nice, you know, nice little bar sink. It's good size, so you can see the size of it. There's a full-size plate. And that's a big plate. So I mean, you can do your dishes in it. You know, it's not like it's a house party. So I'll be cleaning one plate, and most of the time I'll be using throwaway paper towels. So, but the cool thing is it has, you know, a big tall spigot, so you know, you can get a pan under there, or, you know, maybe a deeper pan. Pretty simple. So let me get a better seat down here and get this open so I can get you a better picture of the underneath. So what I'm using is 2 5-gallon jugs, and on one of the jugs, what I did was I took a PVC pipe with the rounded end that they would fall in. I thought I was going to cut it shorter, but I found it to be cut longer was better. And I just drilled a million holes into the bottom of it to make sure that no matter where my hose is, it's going to be straight and all the way right to the bottom, and it's going to be able to get water. So what I did was the sink, here's the price list. The sink was $99 at Home Depot, and it was everything. It even came with one of these. Came with the faucet, came with everything. $99. Hell of a deal. And then I've got a SureFlow water pump under there. I don't know what I paid for that. $50. I mean, that's just pretty much the standard, $50, $60. And then I bought, you know, a couple of these. And I left one side off because I don't have hot water yet. Although I do have a propane hot water system. I'm still trying to work out where I'm going to put it, because again, I'm limited. I think I might be able to put it back up under here, and considering that my propane is on the other side, my propane is hidden over there on the other side of the trailer. I think I could run a line to the water heater, an inline water heater, but about propane, and I think it'll go right there, because I don't have hot and cold water. Not that it matters to me. I couldn't care if I got hot water, other than a shower. So, I got one of these little flex things, you know, flex piece. That way I can, you know, makes it easier to get, you know, this in there. You know, makes it much easier with this little flex piece. So, this is just gray water. You know, it's not even poo water. And I mean, most of it's just drinking water. And, you can just dump this anywhere. You know, I don't have to find a dump station for this. It's just, you soapy water. And the soap that I plan on using while out on BML land is going to be environmentally, safe. It's not going to be stuff that's going to hurt any kind of plants or animals. So that way I can dump this anywhere I want. And this is full when that is empty. And I designed my sink on this end of the trailer because, if it's just a lot easier to get the waters in and out. I can just bring the water right here, and then I can just slide them right in. I don't have to worry about moving stuff, because I was going to originally have my sink on that side. And, but it just happened to work out perfect. Because when I got this had an extra room on this. The door was moved back a little bit. So that would give me some extra room, right here. And it'd give me that little extra room. And then it ended up being perfect because I was able to make that little L kitchen in here. And that gives you the room, Now you got room to actually cook, Pretty simple. And, so that's the sink system. Be honest, here's one more thing. I found this little toggle switch at Home Depot. It was like 98 cents. And that's for the water pump. So I ran a direct line to it with a switch. So it's not always on trying to draw the water. When I need water, I just turn it on. And there's your water. Then I shut it off so it's not drawing any power off my solar. So that's my water system. I kept it as simple, stupid as possible. Thought I was a genius. Apparently not. But it was a great idea. Whoever came up with it, too bad he didn't patent it, because he would be a bazillionaire by now. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Matt, a full-time wannabe. Please like and subscribe, and follow me on my adventure of going from this sticks and bricks junk to full-time RVing. And just so you know, I'm getting close. And you should see one of my other videos. I came up with a way to never run out of ice on the road. And it's basically that. That's my fridge and freezer, but it's a top fridge and freezer. And putting ice trays in there is like impossible because it's all different levels. So to keep the water in there from falling out and all that stuff, it just ain't going to work. So I made another video today. You should probably see it right here on my channel. And figure out how I can have my Jim Beams and Cokes with ice and never run out. It's pretty ingenious. And it only cost me $7, I think. So like and subscribe and check out some more of my videos. Thanks for watching.